Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your favorite drawing period. Our today's topic is Stick of Fun. In this topic, you require different types pulses. So, students, in the circle, we will stick mustard seeds. ह्यालाच आपल्या मराठीमध्ये राई असे म्हणतात. And for the flower petals, we will stick yellow split peas. मराठीमध्ये आपण ह्याला तूरडाळ असे म्हणतो. So first we will apply the glue, then we will stick one by one yellow split peas. And the last, for the leaves, we will stick मूंग बीन्स. मूंग बीन्स ह्यालाच मराठीमध्ये मूग असे म्हणतात. म्हणजेच आपण इथे हिरवे मूग स्टिक करणार आहोत. So students, like this we will complete a full picture of a flower. So students, after watching this video, you will do this topic in your drawing book. Students, it's a very interesting topic, so do it properly in your drawing book.